The chieftaincy installation of Oki Ibianga Ofori was a grand affair, marking a significant milestone in the life of Alabo Otelemaba Abi Hari. The ceremony began at the Da Edonibo Memorial Hall, where he was installed by Da Edonibo Obo, Council of Chiefs. From there, he proceeded to Da Ombo Memorial Hall, where he was received and installed as Ombo Mirinomoni Chief.
Da Ombo Rebo, Arotelemaba, Harry, that take Da Ombo Rebo as Alabo Okibiago for in one. I know the man there. One hour.
The journey culminated at King Amakri Hall, the pinnacle of the traditional honors of Kalabari Kingdom. At King Amakri Hall, the two families presented their esteemed chief or telemaba, and traditional rites were performed in the ancient language of the people.
Jesus Christ.
I'm sort of recreating the name for a man I never met because he died years after I came. So the re-establishment of that name means a lot, not only to me, but for everybody who is from his bloodline. So this chieftaincy has the potential of uniting the country. There is no gain in quarrels, in fighting, no gain there. So our message to them is to live in peace with one another.
Friends and family came out en masse to witness the momentous occasion.
Gwama is so fortunate today to have her son, a wonderful son, Chief Otelamba Abi Harry, to be one of such persons who have proved himself that he's qualified to be a member of the Kalabari Kingdom chiefs.
I wish him a successful time on the throne. I wish him God's wisdom and understanding. I wish him to have a heart for the people, not for himself.
This is a day we have been waiting to see, and it has come. So it makes me happy. It makes everybody happy. And I know this throne will succeed.
I am so happy that today, at least, my husband too has belonged to this great group, which is the third year of our kingdom. He has joined the Kalabari men. He has done well.
I know he's a man of vision. God will give him the grace to see and achieve his aim and vision for the family.
With the title Oki Ibianga Ofori, Alabo Otelamaba Abi Hari embarks on a new journey filled with honor, responsibility, and tradition.
Of Kalabari,